Lights out 5 door, can't see me. 0 to 60 in 3.3. What you gonna do? You can't catch me. Try chat on my name, then my boys don't get ya.
What is good, everyone? It's DSG Panther here. Today we are finally going to be doing something to my exhaust again. Since I got it taken back to stock, as you can see the car is there looking sexy. But finally get taken back to stock. So today we're going to get something done to the exhaust that I have already done before. But I thought I might as well vlog it. This video might never go up, but I thought I might as well vlog it and see what happens. It's going to be loud again. It's going to be asthma. At the minute I've only got a res delete. I'll chuck a clip in now. That's what it sounds like. So it's alright, but it needs yeah, I'm not going to say what, but it needs doing. So eventually we are going to be doing a custom exhaust with DKU, but at the moment I just want something in the meantime. Obviously they are up Brum and I'm down in Kent, so it's a bit of a trek. But yeah, so we're going to get into the video. Let's head to London to where we're going to go to Angel Customs to get the exhaust sorted for a little bit. And yeah, let's get into it. Also, make sure you're subscribed. Yeah, we're almost at 5k, so you better do it. What is good, everyone? We are now at Angel Customs and we're going to get the Polo taken with a straight pipe on the exhaust. So make sure you go follow them, they're in the background. Go give them a follow. We are here to get the car straight piped. It's going to be so loud again. Yeah, thank you to Angel Customs. Go give them a follow here. But yeah, let's get into the cinematics and then I will leave you guys once we've done the exhaust and you can hear what it sounds like. It's going to be about a minute. Alright guys, so we have now got the exhaust off. As you can see here, this is where it clamps onto it. It goes all the way down up to there. So yeah, we're going to put the back box straight pipe on and then yeah, it will sound absolutely sick.
Oh, is it? Oh, nice, man.
Good, everyone, we are now home and it's the next day. Now massive shout out to Angel Customs, as I already said, but I do actually just want to come here quickly and say thank you to Set Off. As you can see here, I've got their new windbreaker. Honestly, it is so sick. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to go and follow their Instagram and have a look at the stuff that they've got. But yeah, thank you to Set Off for sending this out because this is so sick. But yeah, to carry on with what I was saying, we have now got a straight through again, what I used to do, but they've just made it a bit better this time. And yeah, it sounds mental, honestly. It sounds so good. You've just heard the clips and it sounds mental. So it is actually Sunday today and I'm actually going to be filming with the other stuff. So it's a bit mental for me. Didn't think I'd be filming with the other stuff, but it is what it is. We're now going to be filming with the other stuff. The video will be out very soon, probably next Sunday on my channel. For him, I'm not too sure when. I don't know his upload schedules, but for me it'll be up next Sunday. I upload it every Sunday at 6 PM, so just remember that as well. But yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Honestly, the car sounds so much better now. I'm really like happy with it, honestly. Like, I don't want to mod it anymore. Or not mod it, I mean tune it. I'm kind of done with tuning for a bit after the situation that I had with a company. So I just want to leave it stock power for just for a bit until I feel like I can trust another company again. Now I'm not saying I don't trust RTMG. I'm just worried about tuning the car again because I need my car for daily use. So it is what it is, innit? But yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. Please subscribe. We are at 4.2k, I think. Yeah, we're almost at 5, so mad. We're getting popular. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let's get to 5k. That's been my goal for a bit. My goal next year is 10k, but I feel like we might smash that a bit earlier. I don't know. Let's see what next year brings. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. We've got more content coming. We've got some more mods, chameleon tint, some other bits coming as well, some blowout valves, you know, stuff like that. We got more. Don't worry, there's plenty of content to do, even though I'm not mapping it again. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.